Yo, what is up? So in this tutorial, I'm going to be going over how you can easily retarget your Mixamo animations in Unreal Engine 5.4. So, yeah, let's just get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the Mixamo website, and we're going to download an animation. You can download whatever animation you want. Yeah, I'm going to use this standing melee attack 360. I'm gonna use this one because I'm just gonna test it out on our player character so we can have an attack animation. But yeah, you're just gonna go up here, you're gonna download it. We're gonna download with skin. You can download whatever frames per second you want, and we're just gonna download that guy. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the engine. I'm gonna go into the content here. I'm gonna make a new folder called Mixamo. I'm gonna go into this guy, go into my downloads. All right, so once you get your animation, we're gonna pull this guy into Unreal Engine, and you wanna make sure you have import animations ticked right here. And then we're gonna go down to right here. You wanna select snap to closest frame. We're also gonna import the skeletal mesh and import mesh, and then you're just gonna import all. And we can just close this guy down. And then we'll just save all real quick. And you can see here we got our animation sequence. So that looks good. And you can see we got our skeletal mesh. So next thing you want to do is you just want to right click. And we're going to go to Retarget Animations. And you can see it sets this as our source skeletal mesh. Next thing we want to do is set our target skeletal mesh, which is going to be SKM Manny. And if you go down here, you can see the animation. So right here, if you double click it, it'll play it. You can see how it'll look. And looks pretty good. So now you're just going to go down here to the bottom right and export animations. And I'm going to put this in the mannequins folder. Animations, Manny, and then export. And then we'll just hit export right here. And you can see here, we have the animation. Looks pretty good to me, so just save. We can close that guy. And that's pretty much it. You have your animation, but just for bonus, we're gonna test this animation out on our player. So I'm gonna go in here, third person character. And I'm just going to use the left mouse button. We're also going to make that an animation montage. So go to where you exported your animation. So this guy right here, I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to create an montage. And you can see we have an montage here. I'm just going to save, close that out. And then right here, when we press, we want to play montage. And in montage to play, we're going to set our standing melee attack 360 right here. And we're going to pull in our mesh and set this as the in skeletal mesh component. And that should play. And as you can see, we could do that, but we can kind of run around and play, which doesn't look good with this animation. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go in right before it, and I'm going to set movement mode to none. So set movement mode to none. Then I'm just going to duplicate this guy over here, and on completed, we want to set our movement mode back to walking. And there's another issue, but I'll show you right here. So now if we run, now we can't run while this is playing, but if we run and attack, it'll stop us. But we have another issue with it, is if we are jumping and we attack, it still does it. So we want to right click, check for is falling, and we're gonna grab a branch, press B on your keyboard and click, and we'll get a branch, plug this guy in, and we'll plug our is falling into the condition. and we'll pull this guy up here. And if we are not falling, we can do all of this. So that way, if we are jumping, we can't do that attack. We can do the attack here. And if we jump, we can attack, but once we land, we can attack. And yeah, that's kind of it. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. Solid little quick tutorial. Retarget the animation, and we tested out using it. So yeah, if you like the video, hit the like button. If you're new around here, definitely subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know those down in the comments. If you have any other tutorials you would like to see, also let me know those down in the comments. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.